Norman, why don't you at your post? Slow down.
They're coming right now.
Who's coming?
The Germans.
How many?
Oh, too many to count.
How many?
I got two, maybe 300 of them. They got vehicles too.
Tanks?
No, just trucks.
Probably a bunch of bums looking to surrender, that's all.
No. They were marching, they were singing, they sounded like they wanted to fight.
They were singing?
Where? I'm telling you. Right over there.
Hey, you hear that?
It's a goddamn SS battalion.
Bullshit.
Jesus Christ.
Ready to get my gun?
Yeah.
You want to get the weapon?
Shit. Yeah, let's just get our shit, all right? Look, it's about to be dark. Just get on up out of here, huh? Let them pass on through.
Let's hit them woods.
Dude, Norman, go get your shit. Go get your pack. Let's go.
We ain't never run before, I ain't running now.
What's that?
We're gonna fight it out.
We can't.
I'm gonna hold this crossroad.
What you mean you're gonna hold this? The tank's busted. The tank's fucking busted, Top.
Yeah, you said that.
Top, what are you doing?
What do you want to do? You want to sit here?
We're gonna hold this
You want to sit
crossroad.
here, hold off the SS battalion?
No,
We
it's
ain't
not what I
gonna
want to do,
fight.
but it's what we're doing.
There's 5 of us.
Get your
300
fighting
of them.
position.
Mount up!
Fucking fighting positions when we ain't got to tell you how we gonna fight.
We got a cannon!
No, that don't make
Top,
sense.
get on.
Stop! What are you doing?
Get out of here. Get to that tree line. Boys, take care of yourselves. Get to that tree line. It's all right.
It's all right.
It's my home.
I'm staying here with you.
All right. I'll need you to load. Boys, get on. It's all right.
Grady, come on.
We're gonna stay.
Uh-huh. What is your plan?
Boogie. Get us one of them dead crows.